Why AI won't replace programmers but will change how we code. Imagine this. You're coding away, and AI finishes your function, spots bugs, and suggests improvements. It feels like magic. But wait, does this mean AI will steal our jobs? Nope. AI won't replace programmers, but it's about to change how we work, and here's why. AI tools like GitHub Copilot and ChatGPT are impressive. They can auto-complete code and even create apps. But it doesn't understand code the way we do. It can't see the bigger picture, your app's goals or user needs. AI is smart, but it's not creative. That's your superpower. Why AI won't steal your job. AI is awesome at repetitive tasks like writing boilerplate code and debugging. But when it comes to solving unique problems or designing systems, it's lost. Programming is about understanding people, businesses, and user problems. AI lacks that insight. It's not here to replace you. It's here to help. How AI will change the game. Instead of replacing you, AI boosts your efficiency. It handles the boring stuff, autocomplete, tests, bug fixes, while you focus on building new features, solving complex issues, and being creative. It's a tool that speeds up coding, not a replacement for programmers. The skills programmers need now with AI, your role as a programmer is evolving. It's not just about writing code anymore. It's about directing AI, solving problems, and ensuring quality. AI needs your expertise to guide it, and you'll still need to make critical decisions. Programmers will orchestrate AI, not just use it. Think of AI as your coding sidekick. It speeds up tasks, helps you debug, and makes you more efficient. You're the visionary, and AI is the tool that lets you bring your ideas to life faster. Together, you'll create awesome things. The bottom line, AI won't replace you, but it will change how you work. Programmers who embrace AI as a tool will thrive. AI can write code, but only you can turn it into something meaningful. So use AI, adapt, and keep building the future.